Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night and a great Thanksgiving. If you're traveling, folks, please be safe. Practice makes the master. Always do your best. By doing your best over and over, you can master the art of transformation. By doing your best, the habits of misusing your word, taking things personally, and making assumptions will become weaker and less frequent with time. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 40, NASDAQ down 17, S&P's flat, gold contract down $24.40, trading at $1,186 an ounce. They're toasting and roasting gold. Silver down 26 cents, $16.36 an ounce. Platinum off $9, $9.31 an ounce. Copper up 7 pennies, big move, $2.61 a pound. Light sweet crude flat, $47.94 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note down 11 ticks, 125.11. 30-year bond off 10 ticks, 152.31. King dollar up 609 ticks, trading at 101.715. That's at a new high, meaning new high the last 12 years. Euro is trading at 105, and the yen is at 112.51. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. So we take a look at the SPY. What you have is this. Your benchmark on the SPY is $219.60. That benchmark, folks, is the 23rd of August. That's what we took out yesterday. Bottom line, you're above it. And until you get back underneath it, bottom line, this market can go higher. Light volume in an extraordinary way. We're going to be closed, of course, tomorrow. Friday is a half a trading day. It's 3.5 hours. Market closes at 1:30 on Friday. Thus far, the 219.50, that's the one you want to keep your eye on. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. What we have at the Dow Industrials, that's at a new all-time high, up $40, trading at 19,064. NASDAQ Composite, also at an all-time high. Right now, well, it hit an all-time high yesterday. That number yesterday was a close out at 53.86. The high that it has to stay over now is 53.42. We're at 53.70. Now, the only major indice that's not at an all-time high is your NDX 100. NDX 100 is trading at 48.46. The high is 49.11.763. Now, I suspect what we're going to see is this. More than likely, they can push this market wherever they want to push it. You can see today they pushed it down, pushed it up. Market's going to end up probably flat. Bottom line, I think on Friday, we're going to see they're trying to make a run for the high, and then we'll see where this market wants to go, because that is the only major indice thus far that's not at a high. The Russell 2000, that made another new high today. That's up $3.32 at 13.37. This is a run that's gone from 11.56 to 13.37. This was the biggest run in almost 20 years, folks, in the Russell 2000. Now, let's get to the gold contract. So what do we have with gold? We get the day before the holiday weekend. Gold is trading like it trades on a Friday coming into the weekend. They toasted, roasted, all the above with gold. 347,000 contracts. We've gone down to 1181. It's trading at 1187 right now. Bottom line, GC, let's bring this back and see what we have. So, when we're taking a look at this, what you're doing is that you broke the swing point from 1199, which was the swing of June. The swing where the strength is from the February 2nd, the week of February 12th of this year was 1165. Now, it hit 1181. This thing could hit 1165 real easy on Friday, no doubt. That being said, so check this out. That being said, if we go over to the XAU and the HUI, what you're going to see is that the XAU has not made a new low. The XAU is down $3.66. You're at 78.33. That is rejecting lower price, and we're going to have much lighter volume. So it's pretty cool what's happening here inside the XAU. If we go over to the GDX, we take a look at the GDX. GDX also rejected the lower price point of $20.13. We went to $20.14, and it looks like we're going to do about 74 million shares versus 135 million. The Gold Bugs Index, that needs some help. Gold Bugs Index, that is down $10. We are at $173.32. 173.60 is the swing point that it's going after. So it looks like that is going to be under that level, yet with lighter volume. Now, okay, so we're going to concentrate here on all the markets, but what's moving these markets, folks, is the dollar. Dollar, bonds, metals. Now, let's go over to the 10-year note first. So 10-year note. 10-year note today goes down to 124.27. You did 2.9 million contracts, monster contracts, right? Most of that also is down in the morning. Big contracts, though, no doubt. And guess what? It rejected the 125.10. The 30-year bond, we go take a look at the 30-year. What you have with the 30-year, 30-year goes down to a price point of 151.19. We've done 483,000 contracts, and it rejected it, okay? Bottom line, we are at 152.31 right now, and anything over 152.24 gets you right back inside the higher range. I'm going to bring this up. Now I'm going to bring the 30-year up on a continuous contract. The reason being is that what you're going to see here, which is just amazing, is that we still haven't got to the major swing point. The major swing point in this is 147.11. So if, in fact, this can't get down and break that area, in fact, it hasn't even break the 151.12 yet, you can bring this back, I can bring this back 30 years, folks. And bottom line, each and every time that it doesn't break a major swing, guess what? You have a turn in the market. My take right now is that bond market's going to turn once again. The Fed come out with their minutes, and of course, inside the minutes, it looks like, yeah, they're going to raise. We take a look at the dollar index. What do you have with the dollar? The dollar's at a high, 107.50. The dollar's going to be trading over Thanksgiving. I expect when we come back Monday, you're going to see that under the high. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow's up 42, Nasdaq's down 16, S&P's are flat. We're going to be right back.
If you're